Okay, good morning, everybody, and welcome to the briefing on Thursday, the 19th of January. So, just looking at the synoptic, we see there's not a lot of frontal activity anywhere near us, and these ice bars are very widely packed. So, doesn't look like we're going to have much significant weather over the next few days. Looking very settled as we go all the way till Saturday. And those ice bars staying nice and tightly packed. So, nice light winds, widely packed. So, nice light winds for the next few days. Looking at the spot winds at height, looks like it's going to be about 10-15 knots, a little bit more northerly, a bit more westerly on the ground, but otherwise quite light, certainly towards the south coast, and saying basically nothing at height. Current cloud cover looks something like that. We've got a reasonable amount over the country, mostly high-level cloud, but some fog at the moment, which we'll go into later. And looking at the rain radar, other than this large amount down here, which I'm hoping shouldn't get to us, there really isn't very much to affect. The public forecast is suggesting some snow this morning. It was suggesting fog earlier, but it's just saying a bit of snow now. But it is suggesting the visibility is going to be very low until about midday. But otherwise, light winds roughly from the west all day and very, very cold this morning. Top meteo, pretty much the same. It's saying this is at 9 o'clock this morning around our area, high chance of fog. As we go to 10 o'clock, slightly less chance. 11 o'clock, looking at mist, and midday looks like it's cleared up. So might be a little bit of a slow start depending on how this clears. Top temperature today looks to be about 3 or 4 degrees. It's quite mild, and the dew point of about -1. So actually, by the time we get to midday, it's a reasonable split there. And that's the current view outside. It is a little bit misty at the moment, but otherwise it looks very nice, very clear, very frosty. Saw isn't working. Farnborough's current observations are wind 1 knot from variable directions, so called it nothing. Good visibility and no low cloud, and the forecast is much the same. Suggesting some cloud at 3,500 feet. No NOTAMs to affect. We've got this one here, which is just a permanent middle wallop NOTAM, and number 4, which is just notifying the Farnborough's operating hours. And that's pretty much it. Let's just get back to PowerPoint. So operationally, we will be on runway 27 today. Be the normal setup, with the launch point about here somewhere on the 1,000-foot markers as normal. Landing on the runway won't be an option today, but the grass is nice and hard as it's frozen. So left-hand circuits onto the south side grass, right-hand circuits onto the north side grass as normal. No jet movements today. Looks like we just got a PA31 for tomorrow, and that's about it for the whole weekend. But we are going to have to just wait for this fog at the moment. Just got to be very careful that we don't fly if there's any fog around due to the risk of icing. So I'll probably come into the clubhouse and we'll see how this progresses and go and get the gliders out, hopefully in the next few hours. So I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.